Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have our Fashionsta box and this is the first video that I'm taping since Christmas and I have missed being gone so much. Welcome back to the channel. I've been putting up other videos that I taped earlier in the season, but I haven't actually taped in about a week. And for Christmas, I got new lighting. So we're trying this today. So this lighting may be completely weird, but I'm going to need you guys to let me know below what you think, because what I have done since I'm going blind and I know my glasses are a problem is I've done side lighting. So in theory, I want to put my glasses on. We don't have a diva ring. So let me know what you guys think. I mean, I can get, when I turn, I'm definitely going to get, but is it better than the diva ring? Do I have enough light coming straight at me? See, look, this is what it looks like when I turn it on. So is it now better with that lighting? Let me know, guys. Hopefully I'll see it in editing, but I'm going to turn it down so that we don't have it as much this video, and we'll go from here. Back to Fashionsta. Fashionsta is, well, was a $19.99 box, but I believe it has gone to $24.99 as of January 1st. So it will be a $25 box. It is generally 5 full-size products, and it leans more on skincare than makeup, but let's get in here and see what we've got this month. When I open it up, this is what we got. It says that it is $80 to $150 worth of products you'll enjoy and love. Plus, with every box purchased, they're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. So that is fantastic. And this tells us everything that we need to know about what we are receiving in the box. And here is our sealed box. So we will open it up. Oops. Ripped that quite nicely, didn't I? And it's not showing us much yet. It's our surprise. All right, well, I'm going to dig in, and right on top I have a tiny little bath bomb that says CBD Pain Reliever Bath Bomb, Fresh Bombs, Eucalyptus, and Peppermint. Oh, see, that's missing some of the light, isn't it? How about from back here? Can you see it well enough? We'll discuss. I can't smell it through here. It is wrapped very nicely. The paperwork says CBD bath bomb, $12. Wow. I know that the CBD stuff tends to be expensive, but this is small. Like, here's a lippy. I mean, this is a tiny bath bomb compared to a little lip gloss. This is a little fella. Anyway, I digress. Looking a little dark up there, aren't I? Wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Meanwhile, wintergreen and peppermint oil quiet your stress. Use 1 bath bomb in a tub of warm water to soothe your body's stresses. Well, I will definitely try that. Reaching in next, I have, let's see what I have. Rosy Cheeks facial scrub. That is neat. It's not light enough, is it, guys? That is what that looks like. And this says Rosy Cheeks facial scrub, also $12, and it's from Naturally Vain. This exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rosehip seed oil and ylang ylang essential oils are known for their anti-aging properties. The beautiful creamy texture leaves skin soft and clear and more radiant than ever. All right, so it's just a face scrub. Let's get in here. I read about this online, actually. Now that I'm opening it, I'm seeing it. People were concerned that they felt like it looked used because A, it did not have a seal on it, and B, their hands scooped in here. So you can tell that they used a device to scoop it in. See how it looks like somebody's had their fingers, but they say no. It's just the way that they hand pour them. Oh, it smells very nice. I'm gonna get my hand in here. I just came up from downstairs, so I am freshly washed. It smells Rosy Cheeks. So I'm thinking that the scent that I'm smelling and I am liking, because I like it, is rose. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I like that a lot. We'll see how it does on your face. It's a very thick, almost oily feeling. My instinct, based on absolutely nothing, is to say people who have oily skin are not going to enjoy this product. I, on the other hand, think I will like it a lot, and it just rubbed in, but it's very, that feel that I have there is an oily feel. The second ingredient in this is mineral oil. Yeah, I imagine there are quite a few people who will not be using this on their face. I am just wiping this off now with a Tony Moly Peach Punch cleansing wipe, which I keep up here. They're so peachy smelling, but I will tell you, that hand feels smooth. Okay, this lack of light is freaking me out, and I hate for the whole video to be in the dark, so I'm going to turn it up now, and we will just decide whether we liked the first part of the video or not. Okay, reaching in next, I have, oh, I can't get to it. I have what looks like an eyeshadow palette that, although it was sealed at one end, was open at the other and just fell out. I have also read about people having some of these broken, so I'm going to open it very carefully. Yep, mine is also one of the broken ones. This is exactly what people have said, that it isn't, let me see if I can move that back, yeah. The bottom, which is the glitter one, is so soft that it cracked for almost everybody in transit. Let me see if I can take this top off very gently, and let's see. Yeah, it's so soft that I can like move it around like it's like foam. It just needs to be repressed. I think that I can just put, I think I can put some alcohol in here and press it in. Yeah, when I press it, nothing comes off on my fingers, so interesting. That is an interesting texture in an eyeshadow. Anyway, it is Crescent Moon by, who's it by? Well, you know what? Let's read the paperwork and find out. The paperwork says Crescent Moon eyeshadow quad, $45. That's ridiculous. Crescent Moon palette, rich duochrome shades, heavily pigmented diamond and shimmer shadows. Shades included are Calypso, New Moon, Zenith, and Ophelia. Unless this is a Christian Dior or a Tom Ford, I think $45 for these four little, no. They're very pretty colors, but we already know this one is so soft that it breaks very easily. You know what? Let's go ahead. They feel nice. I mean, they don't feel crazy buttery, but they feel nice. So the three that aren't broken, well, let's go with the broken one too. Yeah, it's pretty. Those are the colors. This is the broken one. So they are pretty. So I will, that is very pretty. A little bit of fall out there. I'll tell you what, this color, which is the pink, this one is fantastic. That is definitely a color that I will probably use to pop other colors. Those are gorgeous. I will admit, those are very pretty. We'll see how that, you know what? I have brushes here because I just filmed this purple look for a collab that I'm doing in about a week. Let me take a brush. You know, we always say, well, we don't know what the color payoff is going to be. Let's get my brush and we'll just, in that pink one, just a skosh. And right up in here, let's see if I can. It's not much. Let's go in it again. I dabbed like 4 times that time. Yeah, so it is hard to get that color payoff with a brush. I mean, it's getting there, but see the difference after all of those mini swipes and dips and that with one finger? That's why we say swatches don't matter. That is a big difference. Now, that is still a very pretty color. So that is the shadow that came with it. That brush was handy. I think I should keep brushes up here. Let me know below, guys. Do you think that I should start swatching with brushes? Because it is definitely a more true swatch. Okay, next I have the Teami Soothe Tea Infused Oil in Lavender Sage. And it came in the retail box, and that's always nice. Let me read the ingredients real quickly before I use it on me to make sure that it's not something I'm going to have to pass along. I can use this as a very, very cool. I love it when I receive products I can use. Oh, interesting. Is it blue? Yeah, I guess when you try and shoot through it, here, let me put white behind it. Does that help if I put white behind it? It is the Teami How about my hand? My hand is pretty white. The Teami Soothe Facial Oil. And it's got chunks of, like, I'd say tea and lavender in it. Let's take this off. It's very, ooh, it's dripping. It is very, whew. I'll put it on the inside of my wrist here. It's got blue in it, or maybe the tint from the lavender. Oh, it smells nice. It smells kind of lavendery. Oh, it smells very nice. Yes, it's definitely the lavender. And oh my goodness, it has absorbed. I don't know if you guys can tell with all of this lighting, but it is completely, I mean, it has completely absorbed. Wow. I look forward to trying that on my face. It has capric triglycerides, fractionated coconut, camellia seed oil, jojoba oil, lavender, vitamin E, blue tansy, that's why it's blue, the organic lavender flowers, and white sage leaves. And this says, ooh, it says a lot. The facial oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensations to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorb into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. And then this is a $40 product. So that is very nice. I will absolutely try that. And last but not least, oh no, I have 2 more products. Shocker. I have the 1520 Brightening That Glow Though Honey Propolis Royal Jelly containing amino and fatty acids, B vitamins, and enzymes face mask. That is what that looks like. So we got 6 products this month. This says, 1520 is all about an effective and reliable skincare and beauty regimen that seamlessly fits into your routine. They are dedicated to providing customers with high-quality products and unparalleled results. So that is very interesting. So this is, it's got some good ingredients in it. It's got niacinamide in it, sodium hyaluronate. It's got the preservative pretty high up. Honey extract, propolis extract, royal jelly extract. So if you are in any way vegan or anti-using animals, this is not for you. Okay, I seem to have a palette as my last product, so let me take a second and get this eyeshadow off. So yeah, we got 6 products this time. I guess they did that because one was a mask and one was just a bath bomb, so perhaps they're considering that one. Last but not least, we have something else wrapped up in a bunch of bubble wrap, and then it's also sealed. Have Mr. Knife out, trying to be very careful. Oh good, it just slides right out. And it's called Cara Beauty Glow Getter Highlighter Palette. So this is another brand that they seem to work with. In Our Box. I've only gotten it 2 or 3 months, and this is my second Cara Beauty product. I think every month we've gotten a Teami product, so they do seem to work with the same companies. Oh, this is, yeah. I'm not going to swatch this, although there are a couple of good ones in here. I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence because this is traffic cone orange as far as my face is concerned, but this pink and this white are very, very nice. Wonder if they're eyeshadow safe, because if they are eyeshadow safe, you could definitely use them. Let's see what the paperwork says. Cara Beauty Glow Getter Highlighter Palette, $15. Are you a go-getter for a better glow? These 6 shades will have you shining from across the room. These highlighters are meant to serve looks. These shades are precisely picked. You can start from any shade and add on to it from the super glow. You glow, girl. Did they say $15? $15. That is interesting. Let's go ahead and swatch them. So this is the top row. I hope you can see the difference. This is the white one. This is a kind of, do they have names? I don't think they had names. There are no names on here. So this is the top row. Oh, they swatch very prettily. That is what they look like swatched. And then the bottom row, we have this brownish color, this one I referred to as traffic cone orange, and the pretty, pretty pink. And we'll try and put these right beside it. Oh yeah, I was not wrong about the orange on me. These are the second 3. This is the pink, the orange, and that brownish color. They're very pretty. I will see if I can find out about them, and if they are eyeshadow safe, I will let you know, hopefully below. Hopefully I can find that out, because these are great colors and great shine, and they're not chunky shine. They're that pretty shine. So if they can be used as eyeshadows, they will definitely get more use in my house. but I can probably use the lightest one. This gold one doesn't look too gold, and this pretty pink one on a daily basis. Okay, so that was December's Fashionsta box. They usually ship out toward the end of the month. I've only had this for a couple of days. And we received the Rosy Cheeks Exfoliator, the Crescent Moon Shadow Palette that had that one that needs to be repressed a little bit, the CBD Bath Bomb, the Teami Oil, which seemed very nice, the Glow Getter Highlighter Palette, and the 1520 Face Mask. Okay, and let me know below what you guys thought. Also, let me know what you guys thought about the lighting. Were we better at the beginning? Were we better at the end when I went ahead and added more lighting back, despite the fact that we get a little reflection in my glasses? I got a camera for Christmas, and just as soon as I am comfortable using it, we're moving to a newer and better camera. I bet that makes all the difference in the world. Thank you so much for being here, guys. I hope you are having a wonderful new year, and I will talk to you soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you all really soon.